guess where we're at? Andito kami sa Terminal 2 kasi naghihintay kami na flight to Boracay. That's our first full day here in Manila. We'll be there until January 13. And then, kasal ng brother ko, the 15. And then, some errands towards the end of the week. And then, going back to New York. I'll vlog it all. Boarding time! Iwan yung parents ko kasi yung susunod na flight sila. So, kami muna. Pero makikita na kami doon sa Boracay, sa D-Mall. Waiting for all the other guests. And ganito yung itsura ng lounge nila. May free coffee, free water, and my CR doon. Hello! Hi, thank you! Thank you! Tatlo lang kami dito sa booth. Thank you!
Welcome back!
Oh, thank you! Hello! Nice to meet you! Oh, hello!
Welcome home po.
Hello.
Kamusta biyahe?
Okay naman. Nasa na matulog. Thank you!
Sure ko na-enjoy nyo last time. Kayak tsaka paddleboard free pa rin naman. So, in-here lang po siya. So, ngayon actually, mas maganda na yung dagat. Hindi na siya ganun kaalon unlike the past few days. Maalon po siya. Water Sports Center if you wanted to go for motorized activity. And of course, seafood restaurant second floor. Prior reservation pa rin po needed for seafood restaurant and then the steak restaurant. School area and then the private beach exclusive for Shangri-La restaurant.
Ano pong seafood restaurant yun? Serena pa?
Serena,
Thank you, Erwin. Good afternoon. Oh. Ang premium talaga ng feeling. I feel relaxed already. I feel relaxed already just by, dito kami sa lobby lounge. My favorite welcome drink.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you. My most favorite welcome drink. Ito yung mga free activities nila. Nag-change yan weekly and then ito naman yung shuttle schedule nila which drops you off sa D-Mall and then pick up din from the D-Mall area back here to Shangri-La. And then yung mapang ng resort nila. It's kailangan lang ng 30,000 deposit for villa ito and then you can use that deposit for any charges that you may incur within your stay upon your checkout. Pero hindi ko alam kung magkano yung I think 8,000 per night per room dun sa standard room pero sa villa is 15,000 per night yung deposit. Thank you. Lunch muna tayo sa Ventana. So ito yung Ventana restaurant. Sa inyo ba magna-make ng reservation if may from outside other hotels na gusto mag-breakfast? Ah, hindi.
Reception lang po siya dito sa Ventana.
Ah, okay, sige.
Are you okay with this table?
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's see. Tuna, kilawin. Pork sisig. Mission favorite. Ito yung mga ano nila, dessert. Watch lang kami kasi meron kami massage mamaya. Mamaya pag prines kami doon burp kami ng burp. Tuna, kinilaw, and tempura for our light lunch. Since hindi pa ready yung villa namin, binigyan muna nila kami ng spare room. Ito yung standard room na merong 8,000 per night per room na deposit. Ganito yung standard room nila. Tingnan nyo. Pakita ko sa inyo. I think napakita ko na to nung last wedding video ko, pero pakita ko ulit sa inyo yung normal, yung standard room ng Shangri-La. Pasok mo. Yan. Fit check, salamin, and then quickly, ito yung bathroom. Wow. Complete with all your bath essentials. And then Meron ditong door. And then, yan. Nandun tayo nanggaling kanina. And then, the desk. And you have a balcony that we never used when we were here. So I believe this is their sea view. I believe this is their sea view. They also have a garden view and I think no view. Yan. Ito yung standard room and we'll stay here for a while until we are called for our actual room, which is Villa 23. I'll give you guys a room tour as well kasi ang ganda doon. Ang ganda doon sa villa, tapos sa taas parang may 180 view ka ng Boracay. So, see you later.
Or gusto niyo po pumunta na?
Sige.
Tig-isang card kayo dun.
Thank you.
So, yeah, parehas pa na kasi papasok niyo yung living room. Ayan.
Wow. Ooh, I missed this.
So, this one is actually, kasi malapit lang kayo sa beach. Bathroom, powder room in here, mini kitchen, coffee. Same po, Coke, Sprite, Mango Juice, tsaka Pilsen for free. Same din po downstairs. Dito yung silang card. So, check on downstairs.
This is so good. Thank you. Let's go down. Haha, same setup.
Isa lang luggage ninyo.
Isa lang.
So, for sa bathroom, unlike yung last time. So, 8 a.m. to 5, 5 to 10 yung evening, tsaka after 10 p.m. guest service.
Okay, thank you.
You are most welcome po.
Wow! Look! So nice! Grabe! Ang ganda! Remember, siguro 2 floors up, same orientation. Dito kami make-upan, doon kami nag-photoshoot ng mga bridesmaids ko. And then, dito kami kumain ng lunch, dito sa gandang-gandang table na to. And everything, the same orientation lang. It's just that we're on a lower level today. And we were on a higher level during our wedding. Pero, grabe, sobrang relax na ako ngayon. So ngayon, bababa na ako and magre-relax dun sa kama until our massage later at 4 p.m. So, let's go. I'll show you downstairs also. Kinakasal din. May kinakasal. Kita niyo yan, guys. May kinakasal. Wow! What the heck, man? Nandito na kami sa Chi kasi mag-massage kami ng 4 p.m. So, see you later. Sobrang traffic ngayon sa Boracay kasi sa ati-atihan, tingnan nyo, nabutan namin. Second full day here in Boracay and our last full day kasi nga 2 nights lang kami here and nagbe-breakfast lang kami kasi may free complimentary breakfast and pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kasarap yung pagkain dito. Dinala ko sila dito. Additional guest. At I think 1,705 per person yung breakfast nila. Pakita ko sa iyo. Sobrang sarap yung tocino. Yun yung favorite ko dito pero ang daming pastries, ang daming desserts, may puto bongbong. Anything you could think of for breakfast din dito. Let's go. Crispy. taho.
Kanto.
Siomay.
Saan to?
Sa tabi nung Pigar-Pigar, dun sa may Fall Station. Doon na kami sa peak. Yun yung parents ko. Picturean ko sila. Medyo mataas yung current ngayon. Pero okay pa rin. Ang ganda talaga. Ang lakas oh. Tingnan nyo. Oh.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you.
Ang tagal naman makaano sa ano. Baby, pag daw siya.
I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two arms. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine.
Tapos na. Ligo. Papatuyo na lang ako ngayon. I'm just waiting for my parents and then may massage lang ako ng 4 p.m. and then dinner and then mag-work ako tonight kasi Monday, New York time. So 10 p.m. which is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. New York time. And then we're gonna go home tomorrow. Breakfast in the morning and then go home. But let's see what happens today. If there's something magical, more magical than this, that's gonna happen today. But right now, I'm just enjoying and waiting for my parents.
We'll always have that one night.
Ko-commute kami papunta sa favorite restaurant namin. Malapit lang dito sa amin. Tara. Kuya, magkano Starbucks mundo? Ano yun? Doon na kami! Hampton Sea Raymond. Saan tayo akyat ba doon sa dulo? If you know, you know. Pasig Pips. Pasig people. Pinsan. Pagpasok pa lang namin, alam na nila yung order. Ako na Miyaki. Dalawang spicy tuna salad, tsaka ano pa yung isa? Tofu fry? Tofu fry for this. Alam na nila agad yung order. Let's go! Yata eh. Oh, standing. Gusto mo? Ay, magkano Rosario? Magkano 100. Yeah. Mandaluyong City Hall kasi kasal ng kapatid ko. So, it's giving wedding bells.
Ay, nakatingin. Sigab tayo.
Anong feeling mo? Mag-hi ka sa vlog. Anong feeling mo, Em?
Nakabahan ako.
Nalimutan niya eh. Gold, bilisan niya.
1, 2, 3. Sa mga ikakasal dyan dito sa munisipyo, agahan nyo kasi yung parking namin nandoon malapit sa BDO kasi
Pag sa Mandaluyong
walang
lang.
parking dito. Iniwan lang namin yung kotse, nag-note ako ng kasal lang po saglit tapos iniwan ko yung number ko. Tapos yun na. So, nag-risk kami. Kaya kung ikakasal man kayo dito sa Mandaluyong City Hall, agahan nyo kasi wala talagang parking kung may parking kayo. Anong feeling mo? Iniwan natin yung kotse.
Ay. Ano ba din
What? Wait, 15 minutes na lang. Ay, sayang. Ay, tinitingnan niyo yung diamond mo. Thank you.
Seremonyang ito ay isang public affirmation ng band ni Jello at ni MC. Narinig ko ng mga saksi ang kanyang sagot, no? Yung dalawa ay nabubuhay. Narinig rin mo ng mga witnesses ang kanyang sagot. Nakuha niyo. Kailangan mo
Parang hindi.
yung makita sa picture natin.
Nandito kami sa Dutch. Dito yung reception ng wedding. Favorite ng parents ko, tsaka ng kapatid ko. Yan sila. Tapos na ako. Ano na ako, busog. Nakadalawang plate lang ako. Pero may last one pa.
Pakain nyo, Mara. Ako yung kumakain. Ako sabi lang sa akin. Kaya na-dance ko. Ang ayun ko sa tournament.
It's you. Going swimming. Gab-gab is gonna swim. Bakit ka na? Say hi. Sit down muna. Sit down, kita bulak. Hindi na ako nakapag-update. Pero ano na ba ngayon? January 17, Sabado na. Dinala ko, kailan ba? Yung huli, kasal ni Jello nung Thursday. Friday, ano bang ginawa natin nung Friday? Kalimutan ko na. Minute ko pala sila Gian, sila Tin, Mara, kahapon sa BGC. Tapos, naglaro ako ng gabi. And then ngayon, Sabado na. Pumunta ako sa Ace Waters pa kanina. Dinala ko yung pamangkin ko. Sobrang ganda. $25 for 3 persons na. I think 680 for adults. And then, 350 para sa bata. Sobrang sulit. Ang sarap. Para kang nagbayad ng massage talaga. And ngayon, alas 5 na. Minute ko lang si Borny nga dun sa podium. Magdi-dinner, early dinner kami. Tapos diretso na ako sa Centro Atletica. Magbabadminton ako. Dala ko na yung bag ko. Tsaka tubig. Itong outfit ko. Papuntang podium. Kasi ready to play na eh. Ayan. Pa. Ito na yung
I just wanna be 18 again. What's gonna bring you down when all you do is hang out with your friends?
sa podium and paakit na ako sa burnt bin 5th level.
Feel 18 again. What if
Yeah, very good. Second serve. Kasi katulad, 3 o'clock this afternoon.
Aral sa atin ngayon, nakamiss lang ito.
Update lang, Sunday na today and di na ako nakap-update kahapon, di na nga ako naka-record ng badminton game. Sobrang busy pero kanina pit senior kami, may parada dito and then nagsimba and then ngayon ipapastring ko naman tong racket ko sa Ayala Malls Feliz. Ito na naman ang aking driver. Let's go. Say hi to your face. Here. See? Oh, kiss it. See you in July.
July.
See you
July.
in July.
In July.
Oh, kiss mo tita. Kiss mo tita. Hug tita. Hug tita. Hug tita. Hug tita Ru. Super hug. Super hug.
Ingat,
Super
tita.
hug. Tita Ru. Kiss mo tita. Mwah! Say bye-bye. Bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. Done with our quarterly cut with Mello. Ganda pa rin as always. And para hindi masayang, magdi-dinner kami. House of Wagyu turned Manam.
Morning light will always have that sunrise. Will always have that sunrise. Daybreak, the shadows fade. You step back, I step away. Nothing's broken.